morning everyone, it is Saturday. I am up bright and early. I didn't sleep very well last night. I just couldn't get to sleep, and when I did, I got very little sleep. So I've been up since about 6:30. Johnny has popped out. He's gone to look at a car today. So we're thinking, obviously, with a baby coming, we need a more family friendly car. So he's gone to Milton Keynes with my brother to have a look at a car. So he might be coming back with a new car, we're not sure. I am just having my first cup of tea of the day, and when Johnny gets back, we're going to go to the Baby and Toddler show in, where is it, Sanford Down in Esher? I don't know how you say it, but I'm looking forward to that. I got complimentary tickets. So I'm not so sure that Johnny's excited for that, to be honest, but he's going to be a daddy, so he's going to come with me. So we're going to just check out sort of all the pushchairs and the nurseries and just whatever they've got, and just, we're not really planning on buying anything, just having a mooch and just seeing what they got. Got complimentary tickets, so why not? So yeah, I'm going to have my tea and then get ready, and then yeah, catch up with you in a bit. Okay, so we're on our way to the Baby and Toddler show. We both got our travel teas. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm full of joy about going to a baby show.
Yeah, so we will be there shortly and show you what there is. Here we are.
The Baby and Toddler show.
Yeah.
Could that picture that baby? Nipples! That is so cute. Nibbling!
Where's he gone? I've lost my husband already. I don't know where he's gone. I found him!
Did you get that on film?
Oh, do you like that?
Yeah, it's cute. There's Thingy Brown, she wants to pay for it. What is that?
It's a cot. And then you got all the changing stuff at the bottom. That's really cool. That's all like the changing stuff.
So this is like a space-saving baby cot.
Yeah. And they've got different sizes.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have storage. I like the storage ones. So yeah, these ones are good. That's that one, because it's got the storage on it.
Apart from, so basically, without the isofix, this can still go into the seatbelt. Yeah. Yeah. You can receive the isofix. No, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. How are you feeling? Taking the weight off your feet with this rocker and rocker chair. Can you visualise?
I love it. It's so comfortable.
Is it?
We could just get used to it.
If we had space. Is it easy to get out of though? What's the price? Is it easy to get out of? Little acorn.
Yeah. And there's another recliner. This one's a bit more money. I like the other one though. I think I like the other one better. I like that. These are cute, yeah. They I've seen these before. So when the baby puts his hand in his mouth, he's just got the silicone. He's not. And these are all silicone, so they're really good for the baby. And these are. Yeah, but it's chewable. If they chew it, it's not bad for their teeth. It's good for their teething. Interesting.
And also, it's one of the top 5 breastfeeding products.
Look at that. Wow, that is like a princess baby has this. I really want one of them.
What is it?
You just put them around the cot. It's just a soft, I don't know. It's just cute. Yeah, that's cute. I like this one better because it's bright. I love yellow. I love yellow at the moment. Oh, cute. These are people learning first aid on babies. Where's my husband? There he is.
Oh, that? Okay, you like that?
Yeah, it's cute.
What, more than the giraffe?
What do you like better? I think I like it because it's got colour in it.
Yeah, it's a little bit of colour.
Yeah.
It's fun for a child. Yeah, it is a lot of fun. I love it.
You're going to start practicing?
Yes.
Oh.
Practice cutting
Nice. Thank you.
I think they show you how. Look, they show you how to use.
Oh, I see.
The pump thing.
Right.
We have bought a changing mat for our baby.
This is dinosaur.
Yep, dinosaur themes.
Because the one that was giraffe was a bit boring.
Yeah, it was just grey and white. I like this because it's got a pop of colour. Yeah. So we're done at the baby show. It was very interesting. And Johnny had so much fun. He loved it.
Yes, I had lots of fun.
He said, can we come again tomorrow?
Yes, I did.
Anyway, I had a massage, which was really nice.
Yes, you did. And I had to sit and watch while she was rubbing you up.
Well, you could rub me up. But you gotta rub me up properly. Anyway, we are now detouring on our way home to go and look at a car.
Yeah.
So obviously I said in my intro that Johnny was looking at a car this morning. Didn't turn out to be anything special. Had problems and stuff, so didn't get it. And yeah, we're gonna go and look at this other car. So yeah, see what happens. See what happens with this one.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I didn't realise I was part of the process. No,
You can say something if you want to say something.
Well, I've just looked at my sat nav and it's telling me that it's 40 minutes and it shouldn't take that long because it's only 20 minutes a minute ago.
Turn around and go the other way.
Yeah, hold on.
You missed a turn and then it rerouted. Just turn around. this is the car we're looking at. Needs a bit of a clean, but so yeah. Looking to get a family car.
Maybe careful because that is nothing there, that's just a drop.
That is a big curve he's going to go down. Yeah.
I'm not that fussed about not having a... I was thinking about... Oh, it's got a couple of rips on it.
It's a really nice bodywork as well at the front. I like that.
Clean.
That is really nice. It does need a bit of a clean, but it's not bad. And everybody, it has Isofix.
Yeah.
So that's a plus. Nice big boot.
Yeah. There isn't much to not like about it, to be fair.
It is nice. I actually like it. My fear is, can I drive it?
Yeah, you can drive this.
It's like chunky.
Yeah, but you...
But I'd get used to it.
Yeah, of course you would. Babe, can you have a look to see if there's anything coming?
There's a dangerous corner.
Yeah, it will be.
I can't see anything.
Well, I'll go out slowly.
No, there's nothing coming.
No? Okay.
All clear. We get in the car.
369. 369. Yeah. Right, that's it. Yeah, right, fine. Okay, right. Now, one more thing just to go through. Yeah, it comes with 304. Right, okay.
We bought a car!
Obviously, we're not in it now.
We're not in it now. So, just purchased a new vehicle. Purchased a new vehicle, but the internet was down, so I couldn't pay.
Can you believe it? Their card machine. We won't say where we got it because that's going to be bad advertising.
We don't want to give bad press because they were really good.
They
there,
were really
actually.
nice in there. The car salesmen were spot on.
Yeah.
But they when they tried to use their card machine, it kept saying no signal, and I think to myself, it's a bit basic, but I'm not going to complain.
It's a nice car.
Yeah, they even gave my wife, who was hungry,
a donut.
A donut. She was hungry.
I got a donut.
They gave her a donut.
They had my favourite Greg's donut. I was so hungry. And they're like, we've got a donut if you want. They even offered me the second one. They said, you can have another one if you want. Yeah, but I was like, nah, it's okay. But yeah,
really funny, good laugh.
So yeah, Johnny's going to pick up the car tomorrow.
Yeah.
And we part exchange this little one. So
yeah, and so I will have a bigger car tomorrow, more
family
space.
car.
Yeah. The first time I've got a 4-door car in about 10 years because I've always bought sporty cars. So but we're buying a nice little 4-door, family oriented car to look after us and the baby, plus the pushchair and the car seat that we ain't got yet.
Yeah.
But it will be getting there.
But we are getting there.
Yeah.
We are slowly building our family.
Yeah. So we need to get that sorted out. So I will pick that up tomorrow, hopefully, because they said that their internet hopefully will be working. So I'll pick that up in the morning. Beautiful.
Peace out. Right, so just to show you the bits that we got from the baby show, we've got a couple of leaflets here from like places that were selling stuff that we were interested in. So we picked up like their info. So that's all boring stuff that you don't need to know about. That was the rotor. So we got given these on our way in, water wipes. I've got some of these, but always good to have more. And we picked up these bottles they were giving away, which I thought were really cute, little newborn bottles. So we got a couple of them. And in the Emma's Diary pack, this is actually, I have done a video opening this before, but this looks a bit bigger than the one that I opened. So let's just see what's in it. I've only opened it right. So we've got toothpaste again, which I've got lots of. Oh, and then there was light. We've got some aqua wipes. I didn't get those before. Oh, there's one wipe in there. This is good. Oh, look. Yeah, this is definitely bigger than what I got before. So we've got a pack of Mamiya baby wipes. I've got an abundance of this stuff, but I guess I'm going to need an abundance. So we've got some more nappy care ointment, and what is this? Nursing pads, and then this is just info. Oh look, so if I wanted to, I could get another one of, oh no, that's completely separate. And then, ignore me, and then we got this baby changer mat, which I saw and I thought was really cute, and I loved the dinosaurs. I thought it was just a real nice pop of colour for a little boy. So, on the whole, I'm really pleased with that. Come away with some freebies. I always love a freebie. And yeah, I'm really pleased with that. So if you're thinking of going to the Baby and Toddler show, I recommend it. There was lots of stuff there that you could do, like a little first aid course. I got a massage from somebody who was trained in pregnancy massage, which was really nice. They had lots of different cool stuff. This was brilliant, this snuggle bundle, where literally you can take your child out of the car seat without taking the car seat out, and you don't wake the child. Yeah, you'll have to Google that because there's quite a lot on that, but that is brilliant, and we're definitely going to get one of them. But yeah, I would definitely recommend it if you're going to go. And with all that said, I think I'm going to end the vlog there. So if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give a big old thumbs up and click the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you all again in the next one.
Wife, make me dinner. I'm hungry.